Is it too early? Lucas, is it too early? Is it? Too early to try? Yeah. Do you like your blanket? Hi. Want me to do this again? You're drooling. Get it, baby. Lucas, get the toy. Get the ladybug. Do you have to see more red? You like the color of red, don't you? Get the toy. Oh, are you going for your keys now? Oh, which one? Go get it, baby. You can do it. You could probably reach the keys. You're trying to hold on to something. You're doing a good job, baby. Oh. Get it. Get it, buddy. You can get it. Here, buddy. Here, you gotta put your legs like, no, bend them. Bend them. Now, kick off. Kick off. Come on. Oh, don't give up yet. See, you kind of moved. Oh, now you're touching it. Get it, baby. Get something. Get the keys or something. Oh, you're so strong. Oh, look, you're touching it. You got it, baby. You got it. You got both of them, actually. Yeah. You got them. Now what are you going to do with it?